If you've been looking for something to do on a rainy day, you've come to the right place. We all know that rain can mean boredom and nothing to do, but it doesn't have to be this way. I love rainy days because there are so many ways to make the most out of the wet weather and have a cozy time. Whether you're an indoor or outdoor person, I will show you my ideas how to make the most out of those wet days. So stay tuned and I'll show you how you can enjoy your next rainy day. I know it maybe sound childish, but to jump in the puddles is an easy and fun way to let off some energy, and I'm sure that this will put a smile on your face. Or take a nap. Napping can be so cozy and can also help reduce stress and improve alertness. So listen to your body and give yourself permission to take a nap whenever you need one. Sweet dreams. You can also bake something you really love, like a sweet treat or bread. The opportunity is endless. Baking can be fun, and you can create something delicious through your own hands. There is also something really comforting about the aroma of freshly baked goods. Maybe you just want to enjoy a peaceful moment outside and listen to the rain. The rainfall creates a peaceful atmosphere, and it's also a great way to relieve stress. You can make a movie marathon. In my case, it's of course Harry Potter. Remember to pause sometimes for refreshments and stretch breaks throughout the day. Have a great time and let the marathon begin. Or you can also do something totally different. If you don't own a van, you can maybe fill your trunk with pillows, blankets, and just relax with a book, or just enjoy the view, or drink a cup of good tea. Yeah, you can actually do a lot in your trunk, and it's really cozy. So if you own a car, I really highly recommend you to try to sit in your trunk with pillows and blankets. It's really cozy.
Okay, now it's... Oh! It's snowing in my car. It's snowing! It's snowing! I'm so happy.
Not everything is easy in a little car, but it's really worth it, and yeah, I just highly recommend it. You can also take a warm bath or be creative by painting or to make your own chocolate. Not many people want to run in the rain, but you get exercise, therapy and a shower all at the same time. Running in the rain can make you feel that you can handle the whole world. But if you don't feel like running, you can also just take a walk in the rain. You can make healthy homemade juice if you have a juicer. The juice that I am making right now is vegetable and fruits. It's beetroot and oranges. If you mix those two together, it tastes really wonderful. Beetroot helps to improve blood flow and to reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and protect against cell damage. Oranges are packed with nutrients and offer many health benefits. Oranges are rich in vitamins C and A. You can also make yourself a warm drink. You can make a hot tea or hot chocolate to feel warm and relaxed. It's never wrong to do something you enjoy. Rainy days can be really wonderful if you choose to see the cozy and warm atmosphere. If you want to, you can let me know what your favorite thing is to do on a rainy day. I really hope that you enjoyed this video and that I could give you some new ideas for the rainy days. Have a wonderful day, everyone. I will see you soon again.